Last year, I discovered an abandoned house on the side of a New York highway. While I couldn't find any history on this house, it's clear that someone turned it into a 3D art installation. Now, nearly a year later, I'm returning to explore inside. Good morning, guys. I'm here in upstate New York, just doing a little road trip, and I came across this old house, which seems pretty interesting. It looks like some people turned it into an art installation. Wow, look at that, old paint cans. Hello? Hello? Huh. The floors seem a little sketchy, so I don't want to press my luck, but yeah, it's definitely been uninhabited for some time. Not a lot of furniture here or anything other than some junk, but I think this is the third floor. Just want to go up and see. So I'm here on the top floor. This is actually some of the frames of the art that they put on the windows. Pretty neat. I mean, other than the exterior, there's really nothing too aesthetically interesting. I think someone might be squatting in there, so I don't want to disturb them. While we don't know anything about the art on the house, it's quite possible that the phrase "panic like the house is on fire" is an homage to a speech that Greta Thunberg gave at the World Economic Forum.
I want you to panic. I want you to act as if the house was on fire.
The outside is actually much nicer than the inside. Yeah, I just wanted to take a quick peek inside. If anyone knows the history of this place, please leave a comment below, and I'm curious to learn more. But yeah, that was neat. Normally, I don't like to explore houses just because they seem a little personal, but this was a little too cool to pass up. But yeah, until then, I'll see you guys on the next one.